everyone. So this is my Smart Resume Screener project that I've created for my unthinkable assignment for my placements. So what this project basically does is, over here you upload your resume along with the job description for which you're applying, and it compares the job description with the details in your resume and checks how and gives a score to your resume how likely you are to get into this particular company. This is done through skill-based matching, years of experience matching, other requirements in the job description has given, which are going to be compared with your resume. So this whole website or this whole architecture was built on Streamlit. Streamlit, as you might know, is just a front-end framework for Python. So as you can see, I've already run it over here so that I don't have to run it in front of you guys because the videos will be too long as there's a lot of UI and it takes a lot of time to load. So before running this, I would just like to explain what each file does or what are the deliverables by each file. So this is just the front-end dashboard. As I've told before, it is created using Streamlit. And what it does is it handles file uploads, job description input, score method selection, and displays the results in tables with detailed views. So all the output that you're going to be seeing is through this. Uh, if I have to let you go through the code, this is basically I'm importing Streamlit pandas, resume parser, and masher from other files, other functions that I need for this whole thing to work. And I'm setting up the sidebar. I'm uploading my resume over here, and this is the button action. So once you press this, this is gonna start parsing your resume, reading through the job description, doing prompting on your job description, resume, and sending it to an LLM. So after clicking this button is where all of these things happen. Yeah, and then I would like you to take it to the resume parser. So as you guys know, parsing is basically reading a PDF file. So here I use Python PDF to extract the text from the PDF, and then I use a spacey for named entity recognition. And one of the benefits of this thing is that I'm using two types of score matching. One is through local score matching of keywords, whereas the other method is through LLM. So spacey is going to be used when we're going to be doing local matching instead of an LLM matching. So what this parsing does is it extracts names, phone numbers, education, and skills using the regex and keyword lists. It also estimates the years of experience based on the pattern that you have been given. And also, you might have seen these common skills. So these are the skills that are like most commonly present in people's resumes. So we take this and we directly map it to the skills that are going to be given to us in the job description as well as in the resume, and then we just normalize it so that we can map it to an LIS for better or more beautified version of an output. That's all. And then we're going to the matcher or scoring. This is where the matching takes place, or how everything is matched, or how a score is given. So there are basically two scoring methods. One is the local semantic embedding that I was talking about. It basically works on cosine similarity for local resume job fit score, and the other is the LLM LLM scoring, where we are passing the resume details along with the job description to the resume with a prompt so that we can get a particular score directly from the resume. And then, as it was asked in the assignment, I also had to create a database. So over here, I just use SQL Alchemy with SQLite to store the past resumes. This resume model will contain name, email, phone number, years of experience, and raw text. And I also have given an option on the side of the settings. Now we can go to the website and see. I've also given an option side of the settings if we actually want to save our past resumes to the local data set or not. And as I was talking about the two different options, the normal semantic method which uses Spacey and the LLM method which uses OpenAI and Gemini. So for this case, I'm using Gemini as I have the Gemini API key. If you can also use the OpenAI GPT key, but it is paid, so I am not really using it. So I'm just going to be using Gemini, and then I'll be uploading my own resume over here. And then I'll just show you the job description. I'll just go to ChatGPT and get a job description. I'll just hold on for a second. So we'll just copy this job description that the AI is giving to us, and then we'll paste it here, and then we'll process and match. Then this all these methods will be sent to Gemini, and Gemini will directly give us a score. So yeah, this will take a bit of time, so we have to wait. Yeah. So I was talking about the table in which everything is stored, our file name, email, our skills, our years of experience, and the score for this particular job description. And then you can see the score over here. And why? And you might ask, why am I getting 50 plus score? Is because some of these skills were matching to the application that was to the job description that we have uploaded. And at the end, it's a download selection, so if you want to download this, you can download it as well. And the years of experience is zero because as I'm a fresh, I don't really have any years of experience. And this only counts experience as work. So if you mention internships and all, it doesn't really count it. Similarly, if you want, you can do it for OpenAI GPT, change your, enter your API key or normal semantic.